The State of the Nation debate turned fiery today as a government senator took the public defender's report on the conditions of detention centres under the state of emergency to task. Opposition senators came to her defence. TVJ's Herman Green gives us the latest on the back and forth.
The public defender's report on the conditions at detention facilities under the state of public emergency was the first center of fierce debate in the upper house on Friday. Government Senator Matthew Samuda taking issue with the report.
What I'm saying is the report is conflated and leads us down a wrong road. The conditions have nothing to do with the SOE and the security measures. The conditions of the holding facilities require immediate upgrade. However, that has nothing to do with us putting in place a step to protect the lives of hundreds of Jamaicans, Mr. President.
He claims that the public defender's complaints are not new, pointing out they form part of several previous reports. But the opposition took issue with his comments.
Because what I'm getting from Senator Samuda is that, yes, the things were there, but somehow what she said is inconsistent. But what bothers me is that the Minister of Justice of his party, of his government, has apologized for these conditions. And so I'm wondering whether or not if the Minister apologized, is the Minister inconsistent? Because if not, Senator Samuda is misleading the Parliament.
Another area of contention, education. Opposition Senator Wentworth Skeffrey taking on Education Minister Senator Ruel Reid, accusing him of deceiving students, parents, teachers and the general public with his report on the primary exit profile PEP mock examination. Amid the details, the report said for mathematics, almost 50% of students received a satisfactory grade, computed by adding the number of students who met the standard to the number who nearly met the requirement.
Why didn't the minister present the results separately based on the three distinct categories? Up to on Wednesday night, I was watching all angles where the senior technical director in the coordinator administration was, and the result, PEC mock exam, performance component, mastery, on the screen of the national television. 3.7% mathematics, 1.5% science.
Senator Reid, however, dismissing the accusations, insists that the ministry's report provided sufficient details. After much back and forth on those issues, the senator adjourned to continue on a date to be announced. Herman Green, TVJ News.